brand new YouTube channel, less than a month old, and it's already made over 1,000. He posted one video that got 50K views, another that got 75K views, and another that hit 95K views less than a month, and then one exploded with 232K views. All of this led him to thousands of dollars in just a few weeks. No face, no filming, just music, video, and viral visuals. Now, I'm going to walk you through step by step, so you can do this too. Let's start that without wasting much time. Let me play my final iMusic videos for you before we begin the process.
Yeah! Wait! Take it like this! Oh! Take claw, yeah! Take it like this! Push past the pain! Take claw, yeah! Take it like this! Yeah! Look, the rain is falling and the wind is blowing cold. They want me to drop out, want me to fold, but I got a fire burning deep inside my chest. I will not sit down and I will not take a rest. Every single block they put in my way, I kick it to the side, yeah, I do it every day. No matter what they say, no matter what they do, I look at the storm and I'm pushing right through. Pop it! Right, music very catchy and happy, I am pulling through. Yeah, I'm making it out, gonna lift my voice, gonna scream it out loud, grow my power big, watch it reach the sky. Nothing in this world gonna make me cry. No matter what happens, I will find a way. I'm pushing right through to a brand new day. Oh, pulling through, pulling through. Oh, pulling through, pulling through. Oh, watch me move. Ha. Strong rhythm, fast talking. They try to lock the door, but I broke the frame. I'm changing the rules and I'm winning the game. Think bigger, go harder, enlarge the dream. We working together, the ultimate team. From the bottom to the top, yeah, the climb is steep, but I don't lose focus, and I don't need sleep. Heavy pressure on my back makes the diamond shine. I'm taking what's mine, yeah, it's my time. Pop it! Bright music, very catchy and happy, I am pulling through. Yeah, I'm making it out, gonna lift my voice, gonna scream it out loud, grow my power big, watch it reach the sky. Nothing in this world gonna make me...
Go to Gemini AI and ask it to create the music style you envision for your video. Once the music is ready, carefully review the video for any errors or misalignments. After verifying everything, go to Google and search for Flexclip AI editing. Click on the first link that appears. Once the page opens, select AI tools from the main menu and then scroll down until you find the music production section. First, choose the music front category, as this will define the mood and pace of your video. Once you finalize that selection, go back and select the music lyrics section. Paste only the lyrics into that separate area, keeping the front and lyrics distinct. Once both sections are correctly set, finalize all settings and click Generate. After this, your custom music will be created, fully synchronized with both the front music and the lyrics, exactly as you planned, giving you a professional, polished, final product.
Like rock, pop-up, and so on, rank, energetic, dark, and so on, romantic. Then when you are done, then you put the lyrics here, okay? Then you put the self-written lyrics. So these are the lyrics, and this one is the prompt. Then you put it. Then when you are done, before you can do this, you have to turn this one on. And before you can, when you are done, then you click on generate. So when you click on generate, it's going to generate the music for you. Okay, so now these are our generated music. So it's going to take a few seconds. So these are our generated music. So let's play the music.
Scream it out loud, grow my power big, watch it reach the sky. Nothing in this world gonna make me cry. No matter what happens, I will find a way. I'm pushing right through to a brand new day. Oh, pulling through, pulling through. Oh, pulling through, pulling through. Oh, watch me move. Ha. Strong rhythm, fast talking. They try to lock the door, but I broke the frame. I'm changing the rules and I'm winning the game. Think bigger, go harder, enlarge the dream. We working together, the ultimate team. From the bottom to the top, yeah, the climb is steep, but I don't lose focus, and I don't need sleep. Heavy pressure on my back makes the diamond shine. I'm taking what's mine.
This video is sponsored by Flexclip AI for AI video creation and Pop-Up AI for voice-over generation. The links are at the description below. Join now and get a discount for premium subscription at low prices. Like, share, and subscribe.